In this intermediate tap dance lesson tutorial, you'll learn a short combination to the song Swingin All Night Long. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, where we make learning and teaching tap dance a whole lot easier and a lot more fun. Without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with the right foot. Big toe stamp, step, heel step, big toe stamp, step, heel step, heel step. Let's roll that again. 6, ready to go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 and E and, 5 E and, 6 E and, 7 and E and. Now let's put a little more speed on it. 5, 6, ready to go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 and E and, 5 E and, 6 E and, 7 and E and. From there, right foot's free. Scuffle, step, heel, scuffle, step, heel, scuffle, step, heel, step, heel, drag, hold, step, heel, heel. Why, yes, I'll show that again. That was scuffle, step, heel, scuffle, step, heel, scuffle, step, heel, drag, hold, step, heel. Beautiful, my friends. Add it on from the top. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 and E and, 5 E and, 6 E and, 7 and E and, 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. I'm gonna roll that one more time right now. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 and E and, 5 E and, 6 E and, 7 and E and, 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. From here, your left foot's free. You have stamp, step, spank, step, stamp, step, spank, step, flap, stamp. Again, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. From there, toe, step, step, toe, step, step, flap, stamp. Again, that was 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Let's connect those two new pieces together. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now repeat the first new part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Followed by stamp, clap, flap, heel, toe. That's stamp, clap, flap, right, left. That's right heel first and then toe. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good, let's put all of that new stuff together, starting with the left foot, stamp, step, spank, step. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. How about we do that again? I think that's a good idea. Here we go. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now we're going to roll it with a little more speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. How about that? Let's go from top and connect this all together. Our top was dig toe stamp, step, heel step. Just in case you forgot. Not that you did, but just in case. 5. Let's go a little under tempo too. Dig toe stamp. Yeah, let's go a little bit on the slow side so we can get it all connected. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 and E and, 5 E and, 6 E and, 7 and E and, 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I'm thinking we should do it again one more time, under tempo, same speed, and after that we'll boost it up in terms of how quick we're going. 5, 6, same speed, tap, go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 and E and, 5 E and, 6 E and, 7 and E and, 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, same spot, but but we're going to boost the speed. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and, well, from the top. 1 E and 2 E and 3 and E and. There we go. That's the speed we're aiming for. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 and E and 5 E and 6 E and 7 and E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and a 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. Right foot's free, you have. Step shuffle, ball change, ball change, ball change, stamp, stamp, step shuffle, ball change, stamp, stamp. I'll show you again and put some counts on. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 and E and 4 and 5 E and a 6 and E and 8 and from here, stamp, step and Irish, step toe. So that was 1 and 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 5, 6 and congratulations, you know the whole combination. Now let's rewind to step shuffle, ball change, stamp, stamp, and connect that to that final piece. 6, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 and E and 4 and 5 E and a 6 and E and 8 and 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 5, 6 and bump. How about one more time, same spot? Good idea. Let's give that a shot. 6, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 and E and 4 and 5 E and a 6 and E and 8 and 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 5, 6 and. All of that is coming out of stamp, clap, ball, nap, heel, toe, step, shuffle, ball, change. Let's do just that transition. What I did, the stamp, clap, into that first step, shuffle, ball, change. 6, ready, go. 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 E and a 2 and E and 4 and again, just that transition. Same spot. 6, ready, go. 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 E and a 2 and E and 4 and beautiful. Now we're going top all the way through. You got this, and I'm here if you don't. So together we'll get through it from the top. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 and E and 5 E and 6 E and 7 and E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and a 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 E and a 2 and E and 4 and 5 E and a 6 and E and 8 and 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 5, 6 and. Wonderful, my friends. Let's do this. Let's put some music on. It's way more fun with the music. The song is Swingin All Night Long, and we're starting at 1 minute and 4 into the music. We'll put the music on. I'll drop it about 5%, so it's a little under tempo, which is faster than what we're doing now, but it's not as fast as real speed. It's a compromise. We'll meet in the middle, and we'll do it a couple times under tempo, then we'll boost it to real speed. All right. Woo! -5. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Anything you put helps us a ton. I'll give you a second to do it now. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you want to download the song from this combo, you can click on the link in the description below. All right, my friends, let's get back to it. Here we go. Swinging to the rhythm, everything feels right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the floor, electrifying sound. In this electro swing with freedom bound. Tap into the rhythm, feel the soul. Electro sweet sensation, losing all control. Let the music take you to a high. In this dance of life, we ignite the light. Lovely, we're gonna roll that all again. Don't worry if that first time was rough, that's normal. If it wasn't rough and you did it smooth, you're exceptional. But if you messed up, you're normal. So it's all good to be normal. Let's go from top and see how it goes. Swinging to the rhythm, everything feels right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dancing on the floor. All right, excellent, my friends. I'm going to boost it up to real speed. You'll notice the difference, but it shouldn't be too insane. Just a little boost. Just 5%, right? That can't hurt anything. Well, let's find out, shall we? All right, from the top.
Swinging to the rhythm, everything feels right.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dancing on the floor, electrifying sound. In this electro swing with freedom on. Tap into the rhythm, feel the soul. Electro sweet sensation. Lose no control, let the music take you to a higher. This dance of life, we ignite the light.
Again, that first time at this real speed is rough. Normal, no worries. We'll do it a couple more times so you get more comfortable with it and enjoy yourself. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about having as much fun as you can. So don't forget to smile. And here we go.
Swinging to the rhythm, everything feels right.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Dancing on the floor, electrifying sound. In this electro swing with freedom on. Tap into the rhythm, feel the soul. Electro sweet sensation. Lose no control, let the music take you to a higher. With this dance of life, we ignite the light.
You can just do some fun boogieing after it's all done. All right, let's hit it one more time, real speed. Make it your best and enjoy it the most. Here we go.
Swinging to the rhythm, everything feels right.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7.
Dancing on the floor, electrifying sound. In this electro swing with freedom on. Tap into the rhythm, feel the soul. Electro sweet sensation. Lose no control, let the music take you to a higher. With this dance of life, we ignite the light.
Excellent, my friends. I'm going to do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front, if all goes well.
Swinging to the rhythm, everything feels right. Dancing on the floor, electrifying sound. In this electro swing with freedom on. Tap into the rhythm, feel the soul. Electro sweet sensation. Lose no control, let the music take you to a higher. In this dance of life, we ignite the light.
Beautiful! Thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you don't already know, UnitedTaps.com has a ton of great tap dance content, lessons, choreography, workouts, practice exercises, a little bit of everything. Thank you for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.